If you've ever been guilt-ridden by the bags of waste that need to be packed after a barbecue or outdoor event, this video might just be of help to you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amrita, and with this channel I aim to bring you everything from minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. Throwing a more sustainable outdoor event isn't just better for the environment, but is more affordable too. And with these tips and tricks, you can throw a fabulous outdoor event with less waste and hardly any additional effort. Not only are plastic knives, forks and spoons typically flimsier than the ones you use in your kitchen, they're also not great for the planet. A mismatched set of garage sale plates doesn't just cut down on your paper and plastic waste, they also look whimsical as well. If you aren't into thrifting, pick up a set of outdoor dinnerware or use what you already have. Fresh berries or greens make a sweet addition to any cookout, but they always seem to go bad as soon as they leave the vine, especially if you shop organic. Store your veggies and fruit in a crisp produce bin for easy fridge storage that works double time as a travel case straight to your picnic. These sleek and functional containers will help your farmer's market haul go the distance. Let's face it, meat is bad for the earth. Agricultural meat production is the second biggest source of greenhouse gas emissions and the most significant source of methane in particular. Think about serving more vegetarian mains for your cookout and portioning meat as a side dish instead. Plastic bottles have a much higher carbon footprint than pouring straight from the tap. And even if you put your cans and bottles into the recycling bin, less than 10% of the plastic produced every year actually gets recycled. Instead, make a big pitcher of lemonade or some other refreshing drink, toss in some citrus and mint into your tap water, or juice your own garden fruits and vegetables for a refreshing drink that is better for the planet. We get it, sometimes you just need to crack open a cold one. If you're looking to serve beer or soda, cans are a more sustainable choice. While not quite zero waste, aluminium cans are less toxic than plastic if they don't end up recycled. Cut down on flatware altogether by serving up a finger food feast. You won't need serving utensils, forks, knives or spoons. Think hot dogs, burgers, shish kebabs, hand pies and of course popsicles. Making your own condiments not only cuts down on plastic consumption, but often tastes better and can help use leftover produce from your crisper. Think homemade relish, ketchup, mustard, and of course guacamole and salsa for dipping. Cut down on your carbon footprint by shopping at a nearby farmer's market or using food from your own garden. Often the farmers will sell their own wares, so you can chat to them about where it comes from and even get recipes right from the people who know their product best. Switch out propane for a more environmentally friendly grilling experience. If you do use charcoal, avoid self-lighting charcoal and petroleum-based lighting fluid and instead choose natural charcoal or lump charcoal that often uses recycled furniture scraps and waste wood. Those were my 10 quick tips. I hope you enjoyed these tips and that you'll enjoy your barbecuing experience, or braais as we're used to calling them. Until next time, be the change you want to see.